questions with the verb to be. Question am for I. Am I? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. The teacher asks, am I a doctor? The answer, no, you aren't. You're a teacher. Am I a good teacher? Yes, you are. Question are for you. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you 20 years old? Yes, I am. Are you from India? No, I'm not. I'm from Canada. Question is for he, she, it. Is he? Is she? Is it? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. Is he young? Yes, he is. Is he single? No, he isn't. He's married. Is she your cousin? No, she isn't. She's my sister. Is she a student? Yes, she is. Is it a blue house? No, it isn't. It's orange. Is the weather sunny? Yes, it is. Is it snowy? No, it isn't. It's raining. Question are for we. Are we? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. The customers ask, are we in a modern restaurant? He answers, yes, you are. Are we in a Mexican restaurant? No, you aren't. You are in a Thai restaurant. Question are for you. Are you? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. The waiter asks, are you from here? They answer, no, we aren't. We're tourists. Are you ready to order? Yes, we are. Question are for they. Are they? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Are they kind? Yes, they are. Are they Chinese? No, they aren't. They're Canadian. Let's review. Questions for the verb be. Singular verbs. Am I? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he? Is she? Is it? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. Plural verbs. Are we? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Practice. Fill in the blanks.